Hello students, welcome to our online teaching class of Balangir Public School. Today we will discuss English grammar of class 8, chapter number 4. Name of the chapter is Present Tense Revision of your book. So present tense revision before, so as it is tense, just I would like to remind you that tense, what is the tense? Tense is a verb form which is used to express time, and tense is of two types, present tense and past tense. There is no future tense. You have learned it in your previous classes, that is in class 7. And now, so again, each tense is subdivided into each tense is divided into two, that is present tense and past tense, and there is no future tense, but there is future tense, there is not you. But here, again, each tense is subdivided into 4 parts, that is simple, progressive, perfect, and perfect progressive. Okay, so now we will discuss present tense revision and the uses of the present tense also. This is simple present tense. First of all, the present simple. Simple present simple. Pattern, subject, plus V1. This is the pattern of the present simple tense, and in the present simple tense, it is not the pattern. In the present simple tense, the verb of the third person singular number becomes plural. It is not you, and do or does is used to turn it into interrogative and negative sentences. It's not you also. Okay, so here now we will discuss that subject plus V1. Subject plus V1 is already the present simple tense. For example, I write a story. I write a story. How it is present simple tense? Here I is subject and write is V1. Subject plus V1, it implies that it is the pattern of present simple. So this is present simple tense. Okay. So then come to the point about the uses of present simple tense. You open your book at page 28. Forms of present simple tense has been given all these things. So I, we, you, they, all these, and V1 directly. First, uses, we will come to discuss about uses of simple present tense. Uses. Present simple tense, thereafter is uses. In which cases we will use the present simple tense. First, look at your book. The simple present tense is used for an action that takes place regularly. Simple present tense is used for an action that takes place regularly. Example, I eat bread and eggs for breakfast. I eat. The sentence indicates that I always eat bread and eggs for my breakfast. I go to school every day. I swim in the river. Mahesh catches fish in the river. All these things. My father goes to office every day. Okay. Water boils, the sun rises in the east. All these are the simple present tense. Because the first point where we will use the present simple tense, the present simple tense is used for an action that takes place regularly. For an action that takes place regularly. Second, so the first point for the present simple tense is used for an action that takes place regularly. Second, in which situation to express scientific facts, geographical facts or permanent truth. To express scientific facts, to express scientific facts geographical facts. Geographical facts. And or permanent truths. Very important things. The present simple tense. So secondly, the present simple tense is used to express scientific facts. Scientific facts, that means water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Examples: water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Scientific truth, it is fact. So, for here to express scientific truth, we can use present simple tense. Okay. Thereafter, geographical fact here. What is the geography? The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. This is a fact on the ground of geography or geographical facts. The sun rises in the east. The sun never rises in the west or north or south. Okay, so it is also geographical fact. For permanent truth, India is a country of great diversity. India is a country of great diversity. India is a diverse country. That means we are living here of different color, different people of different religion, different language. So diverse country is also fact, permanent fact. Okay. So all the Himalayas is located to the south of, to the north of India. It is also fact. So in case of or an action that takes place regularly, we use present simple tense. Secondly, to express scientific fact, to express geographical fact, or to express permanent truths, we use present simple tense. Secondly, thirdly, to express natural qualities or process or professional activity. It has been given in your book. You will observe. You open your book and see it. To express natural qualities or processes or professional activities. Natural qualities, for example, children love to play outdoor games. Natural qualities. Children love to take ice cream. Natural quality. Okay. So this is the natural quality or process. A chemist sells medicines. Professional activity. A chemist sells medicine. This is not a professional activities. Okay. So to express natural qualities or process or permanent activities, we also use present simple tense. Fourthly, number 3 verb. Thereafter number 4. 1, 2, 3, then 4. To in a newspaper headlines, to express natural quality in a newspaper headlines. In a newspaper headlines also we use present simple tense. For example, the president attends a multicultural event in Assam. For newspaper headlines, present simple is also used. Example, the president attends a multicultural event in Assam. To express a future event, to express a future events that is already planned. So we also use present simple, like the train leaves the station at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, so to express the future event that is already planned, we also use present simple. Okay, the train leaves the station at 4 p.m. tomorrow. That means if it is a calendral case, it has been wrong to some extent here. If it has been said in a calendral case, then we also use present simple to express that. For example, it has not been given. One thing you remember, calendral cases, for example, Ram wears Jayanti. Here calendral cases, Definitely, given your book, you remember one thing: Ram West Jayanti. Ram West Jayanti. It is present simple. Why it is present simple? Ram West Jayanti on dated this. Why you are writing like this? Ram will wear. We are not writing Ram will write. Ram will wear. Ram is going to wear. Ram is wearing SQ2. Why we are not using like this? Because it is said on the calendar cases. It has been fixed on a timetable that cannot be changed as per our schedule. Okay, so our examination takes place on Monday next, like this. So, but one thing here, a future time verb is used in this case. Okay, whenever we are going to express the future through present simple tense, if it is a calendar fact, if it is said in a calendar cases or on a timetable, then we can use present simple tense to express it. So, to express a future event that is already planned, we use present simple, but we have to use a future time verb. In the running commentary also, while giving running commentary, present simple tense is used. Jai Surya bowls a faster ball this time, and Sachin whacks it for a four. Virender Sehwag sprints after it, but the ball crosses the boundary line and the crowd roars its approval. You will collect it from your book. In the running commentaries also, giving running commentaries in case of sports or others, we use also present simple tense. In exclamatory sentence beginning with here or there, in exclamatory sentences beginning with here or there, we also use present simple tense. Here come the dancers from Maharashtra. Here comes the dancer from Maharashtra. There goes the latest aeroplane acquired by the Indian Army. All these things are used in your present simple tense. So again, I am going to revise. So here all these things. So these are the present simple tense. Present simple tense pattern, subject plus V1. Example, I write a letter. I write a story. All these things. So you just, it has been given in your book, point wise I have told you, you will go through your book and check it. Thereafter, present continuous tense. After this, we will discuss the present continuous tense, a present progressive. Present progressive, that means when an action is going on. And now I am teaching you. So my teaching is going on now, so I am using present progressive mostly. So where are you going? We are holding all these things. So when an action is going on now, we will call it a present progressive, and the pattern is subject plus is or am or are plus before. There is ing form of verb. Okay. I am playing football. For example, I am playing football. I am playing football. Here it is subject and one of the three, and playing it is the before. So the structure is present progressive. Okay. So when an action is going on, we can use present progressive. So where uses a present continuous tense, for the present continuous tense is also used when we want to we want to talk about an action that is going on nowadays and not necessarily just now, not necessarily just now at the present moment. My father is working in Chennai nowadays. For example, my father is working in Chennai nowadays. We want to talk about an action that is going on nowadays, and not necessarily just now, not necessarily at the present moment. For example, I am telling you, I am writing a novel. Writing a novel, it takes a long time. It takes 6 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years also. Sometimes also he had stopped writing it. What will he say? I am not writing. No. He will say also, I am writing a novel because it takes a long time. My father is working in a bank. My father is working in a bank. That means he works in a bank. It is in a continuous process. So, okay. So, my father is working in Chennai nowadays. That means he is working. We want to talk about a definite program in the near future. Definite program in the near future. It is my mother's birthday next week. So, we are giving her a surprise. Talk about a definite program. Definite program in the near future. Near future, like we are having a party tomorrow. For example, we are having a party tomorrow. For this party, so many other uses are there in this book. It has not been given, only 1 or 2 points has been given, nothing else. You will take the books of other. You will take the help of other books. So many other things are there. Because there is not available in your book, I am not going to discuss with you from my own. Okay, but I am telling you, you will take the help of other grammar books. It is not sufficient, only 2 regions are there. So many other regions are there also where the present progressive are used. I am telling you one thing, future progressive is used to, present progressive is used to talk about the future fulfillment of a present plan or action also. For example, we are having a picnic tomorrow. We are having a picnic tomorrow. We are having a picnic tomorrow. The structure is present progressive, and we are having a picnic tomorrow. This is present progressive, and tomorrow the time is future, as there is a future time adverb here. Okay, we are having a picnic tomorrow. So many other things are there in order to express the future. Present progressive is also used. Okay, in case of that means for this picnic we have already arranged everything. It has been through present progressive we can also express the future. Okay, so here we will do the exercises. Next in the next class we will discuss about the present perfect and present perfect progressive. Thank you all. You will do your exercises and we will solve it.